Well, in what may mark the beginning of a new chapter in the India-Pakistan relationship, after attending Narendra Modi's swearing-in ceremony, Nawaz Sharif is all set to hold a bilateral talk with Narendra Modi today, with the newly elected Prime Minister pressing into action right from his day one in office. How far will Narendra Modi and his team be able to sustain this diplomatic lead?
Pakistan's Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif setting foot on Indian soil, signalling a fresh phase in Indo-Pak relations.
We have very high expectations, on that side of, the border. We hope that, we are able to live by, those expectations.
After resisting pressure from hardliners and the army back home, Sharif finally managed to take a stand and attend this historic moment in India.
मैं नरेंद्र दामोदर दास मोदी ईश्वर की शपथ लेता हूं कि मैं विधि द्वारा स्थापित भारत के संविधान के प्रति सच्ची श्रद्धा और निष्ठा रखूंगा.
And today, Nawaz Sharif will be meeting India's new Prime Minister at 12:10 p.m. for a 35-minute long meeting.
All eyes are on the big bilateral talks between India and Pakistan scheduled to be held on Tuesday afternoon in Hyderabad House, when Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi, on the very first day in his office, meets his Pakistani counterpart Nawaz Sharif.
Everything is going fine, and I bring you good things to the people of Pakistan, and I think the people of both countries are very happy that I have come here. So I also feel honored to be participating in this ceremony.
The Indo-Pak meeting providing hope that Nawaz Sharif's historic visit may help in strengthening Indo-Pak ties.
He wants to take off from there where he left off in '99. So I think the meeting is going to be good. We all hope and we wish the meeting every success.
Let not these terror groups, so-called terror groups, hold the relationship between, the development of relationship between India and Pakistan hostage.
With bilateral talks scheduled on his first day as Prime Minister, clearly Narendra Modi has gotten down to business. An early foreign policy push, raising the question, can Team Modi maintain this diplomatic lead? Bureau Report, Times Now.
Aditya is with us for a fresh input. Aditya, it's going to be a 35-minute long meeting, not long enough perhaps to have a very long discussion on the several issues that both the countries have. But at the same time, is this going to be the first step towards confidence building and perhaps in bridging some of that trust deficit?
Well, absolutely, Afrida. The biggest thing in these talks between India and Pakistan is that this would be an icebreaker. For long, there has been a hiatus. Dr. Manmohan Singh did not really speak with his counterpart. The Indian establishment was completely adamant on the point that there cannot be terror and talks. The Bharatiya Janata Party's Prime Minister Narendra Modi has ensured that on the very first day of his office, he meets Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif. Sources telling us that the talks would revolve around people-to-people contact. The talks would also revolve around the trade talks and also, as you rightly pointed out, confidence building measures. We are also told that Kashmir and terrorism might not be discussed. Kashmir and terrorism might not be on the table, even though Narendra Modi might express concerns over the terror establishment and the terror machinery that has set its baits on the soil of Pakistan. He will clearly point out to Nawaz Sharif that Pakistan needs to hit out hard on terrorism. So all eyes now are on this big Indo-Pak meeting at around 12:10 p.m. in the Hyderabad House. But yesterday evening, when I asked Nawaz Sharif that what he really expected from his meeting, he gave me a philosophical quote. He quoted Iqbal, the famous poet, and went on to say that he hoped for a new spring in the relationship of India-Pakistan. That clearly mentions, that is the footnote to these talks between India and Pakistan. But the biggest concern and the biggest caution from India is that will Pakistan really hit hard and eliminate the terror machinery, and also Hafiz Saeed, for that matter, who is the mastermind of the 26/11 attacks and had also warned Nawaz Sharif from visiting India. But Nawaz Sharif, without those concerns, very much did visit India. In fact, took part in Narendra Modi's oath-taking ceremony, and as well will be today holding bilateral talks after a very long time with the new Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi. So all eyes now, international attention on the bilateral talks that will happen at around 12:10 p.m. in the Hyderabad House in New Delhi.